DJM TV.
Welcome to DJM TV News, where you get the latest information as the trend. Please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you keep receiving videos from us as they drop. And if you're on Facebook, like our Facebook page at DJM TV. On Twitter, follow us at DJM TV. Also on our website at www.djmtv.news, where we drop videos 247. I am Lawuru Favor for DJM TV News.
DJM TV.
Oh, we don't know your life. Answers. How many people Sassy go kill? What type of government is this? What type of government is this? What type of president is that? What type of president is that? Too many passports. 60 years old, we don't get that. Make your last bus stop, not be your final bus stop. You must know somebody to become what? You must know somebody to become what? You must know somebody to become what? Araba, you look at me. To become what? To become anybody to do what? Don't worry, last class. Last about first class. iPhone not be God. Slanta is in the building, Barara is in the building, even Ghana police is in the building. Barara is here. We come work from work with the protest. So they are alive. They must end the police brutality. Are we here to fight? No. Are we here to fight? No. We are here for peace. So we are here live. They must answer. This man get voted. He get voted. Forget that. He get voted. Regardez là-bas. Yes. Yes. You want job. Yes. You don't want to suffer. Yes. Banana. Write it on the internet. I'm talking. We're tired of the tweeting, bro. We're tired of the tweeting. Yesterday, that was putting somebody at 2 million. They kick somebody. Yes, bro. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for. People Sassy go kill. How many people Sassy go kill? How many people Sassy go kill? How many people Sassy go kill? Hey, I go kill us, how many people Sassy go kill? How many people? Hey! How many people Sassy go kill? How many people Sassy go kill? They go kill us, They go kill us, Berere. Barara ite you come.
Na life oh.
Na life. See,
We are here for the protest.
yes. They go hear what?
That must answer.
Now we dey promote your business. Snap with us. You know, we are people there with us.
Go now go for straight to go dey see the tell you SAS.
Yes, sir.
We are here because of SAS. Yes, sir. One love. We dey live.
Okay, na live oh.
Charge them now.
SAS. Because SAS. Mari, go back. Yes, yes, so we are here live and direct. Well, so nobody that attend to us here.
No, Ambassador no want come outside. I want to come outside.
Why no?
Our ambassador supposed to come outside.
Regarding.
Make I let you understand to get iPhone is never a sin. To be an IT student is not a sin. You guys should wake up. We can't come home. What's going on?
So my face, we don't tire.
Killing, the brutality.
We don't tire. I beg.
Now you gonna tell you Nana. Those niggas for border, shit that they do for border. Bring on yourself, calm down. That shit now they can't do for that country. It be some nonsense shit though. I can't talk my man now. You shit me like that. Like they can't tell you say that shit would have stopped. Miss. You go hear what they never hear anything.
So nobody to attend to us here.
Yes. Now. What is this way they do for the country? It don't make sense at all. SAS don't even come know their work again. When be the last time when we hear say SAS rescue person where they kidnap? When be the last time we hear they not even they give us those information, but the one where they hear bad news. Bad news they go they keep. What is SAS they do for Badagry Express Road? What is SAS they do for Badagry Express Road? There be immigration. Where they end SAS. We don't want SAS. Our children go grow. If we not start today, we not go start tomorrow. We go start today.
So if you are in Ghana, with the Nigerian embassy for Ghana, so link up. Those of us where they Ghana, with the Ghana embassy, we are here with the Nigerian embassy for Ghana. We there for police brutality. Police brutality. Police brutality. What do you want? Police brutality. Police brutality. Police brutality. Police brutality. Marara, you know say you global, tell your people make the head up. Let me come. How are you, sir?
Who don't tire? Who don't tire?
Hands us. Hands police brutality. Hands us. Hands us. Marara. Hands us. Hands us.
They are doing it.
Answers.
Our point should be made known and clear. Our point should be made known and clear.
Please, nobody should be in front of the banner. I want to go inside. Everybody should go inside, please. Everybody should go back.
I be media man, so I do one for media.
When you are going back to Nigeria, all the old borders they are peaceful, but immediately you get to Sena, it's war. We are tired.
You don't say good picture. I greet you. No, they do for media.
Farara, tomorrow go.
I greet you, sir. No, I they do my media one.
Finish, I'll make a talk to you. I'll be with BBC Pidgin.
Okay, we'll make a talk.
Yeah.
I do for you.
Now, end police brutality. End police brutality. End police brutality. End ban. End ban. End ban. End ban. End ban.
Do normal video. Normal. Will not be live. I will take her from your hand. Oh yeah, snap me now with the card. Go on fast.
How many people Sassy go kill?
How many people Sassy go kill?
How many people Sassy go kill? How many people Sassy go kill?
So today here live with comedian Pararan, right?
Yeah.
Comedian will join the protest. I mean, why you get not only Sassy.
Police not in balance. Nigeria police is not in balance. Like balance I think. Every week balance. So those are the problems we face. What we need uniform police, then give them better uniform and increase their salary so that they don't disturb us. And Nigeria police, we are not your problem. Your problem is the government. But you got to put your hand down and see the wahala. This is for only police. They come for lights, they come for bad, they come for a lot of things. So the youth one way. I told now, I say I do nothing wrong. So I'm here to look for progress. So, God said bad government.
What do you experience of the police?
What do you people want? 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 iPhone is not a gun. We cannot kill our youth because of iPhone. Only the good things and only the good guy is not a crime. You cannot kill us because of the only car. You cannot kill us because of the plastic. You cannot kill us because of the background. You cannot kill us because of our rules.
The salaries of Nigerian police services. So this is all for Nigeria.
DJM TV.
Welcome to DJM TV News, where you get the latest information as the trend. Please, if you're new to this channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. click on the notification bell so you keep receiving videos from us as they drop. And if you're on Facebook, like our Facebook page at DJMTV. On Twitter, follow us at DJMTV. Also on our website at www.djmtv.news, where we drop videos 247. I am Lawuru Favor for DJMTV News.
DJMTV.
Gossip Mill, Tunde Ednat, Instablog. My name is Black Cinderella. I'm reporting Nigerians in Kenya. Nigerians in Kenya, unaona to fuck. Unaona to hide inside duvet, the sack booby. Unaona to just fuck sense, promote somebody's toto. You never go to street or you never go to protest NSAS and police brutality. Every day a show, come on a show, they scare Niger. Niger, they run inside streets for Kenya. Oh, Niger no go talk. Everybody just carry Niger as mumu. Right now there is protest. They are hiding inside Bubi. They are hiding inside Toto. Come out, call them out. Nigerians in Kenya are not doing anything. And police brutality. If you are married to a Nigerian man or you are dating a Nigerian man, not give him Toto. Not give him Toto. Now boyfriend will go out protest. Now him we go give Toto. I beg.